iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. Hello and welcome to the weekend. Kaizer Chiefs and Marumo Gallants are grappling in court. We have no idea whether or not the match will play on Sunday. Therefore, we'll have a look at Sundowns and Orlando Pirates, which are playing tomorrow at 5:30 and immediately after that, maybe around 7:30 or 8 p.m. Golden hours, Mamelodi Sundowns and iGalaxy versus Orlando Pirates. Let's start with Escotini. So the last time Tso Vilakazi visited Escotini, there was an assault, an embarrassment. iPirates by finer, iPirates appeal, iPirates lose the appeal. They had to make a public apology as well. iGalaxy, Orlando Pirates losing their last game against Mamelodi United. How do you see that one going?
Mr. Kunjani mfethu? Ya ngibulisa wena mfethu, ngibulisa uJustice, ngibulisa uJunior, ngibulisa nanemakhala lapha. Ngicela support njalo iDiskiTV nje. Beka nje njalo kuchike futhi. Mr. Kewu, hey.
You remember that?
Ngikhumbula kahle ukuya ngifuna ukubonakala amabhantshi futhi alokuyenza kanje uyabona. Yeah, no man, it's not nice for our football. Sifuna abantu bahlulane lapha eground phakathi, bangahlulane off the field. Mse ke I don't know man. Angazi ngizoyithini indaba iGalaxy nelontuzana nePirates because ezimnyama they lost dignity manje. They've lost isithunzi in our football where anyone now can go and say nayi ngayidla nami Pirates. Wonke umuntu uya ku Pirates unalento lokuthi no we can get a 3 point. Uyabona? Looking at the last game yabo, I said it ukuthi you know what? Ujohn has got a game in his hands. Even though that penalty, it was not supposed to be a penalty. Yeah, it was not supposed to be a penalty. But you know, in football we always say you create your own luck. So that boy, he just try his luck by diving, and it happens good to referee. I don't know, that's a penalty. So we don't have to dwell. No, yeah, if I'm a penalty, no, but why can't you score? Go again. Let them equalize the penalty. Then we'll see good. No, but the referee, Pirates are having how many 3 points. But now you're saying, but 33 points the penalty. So I don't know. The Pirates are normally very 2 defensive midfielders or 3 defensive midfielders. Sazi bazofaka ulipasa or bazofaka uEvangala payana, and it's iPirates are it's young confuse mina because
out here yakho ithola ama group here.
Elanya la payana
ithola ama group.
Supporters wethu la payana.
Oh no, they acted together go Vulavala. I thought it was a group. Yeah, they were together on Vulavala.
You will have Vulavala laba, yeah. It's nice to act, Baba. Naso. Bafethu thina siyasupport Vulavala sayibukela Vulavala. Sibukela yonke into because sifuna ukwenza sure ukuthi we support our brothers and sisters.
It's interesting, Orlando Pirates have lost matches, I think it's 2 or 3, but the 2 losses that they lost were to teams that could be considered as minnows. Mamelodi United, and I remember Dan Clayton as well, his only win was against the Orlando Pirates. So it's possible that iGalaxy could go here emboldened because they could do something. And also, interestingly, Nabo Bashai Sundowns, when they were playing against a slightly bigger team than them. What do you think is going to happen tomorrow?
The advantage about now iGalaxy is that if you can defend against Sundowns, it means against Pirates is very easy. Akunabo clever ukuthi umkhuthuza uzokukhutuza akhiphe akunamkhuthuza kubhakani hayi. So kuSundowns bebekhona bomkhuthuzi but abantu bayakhuthuza kuvaliwe but bangena ama pocket kuvaliwe yabo. So and again what they did right was that counter break yabo. Yeah, it's there were moments where they had that counter break ngendlela right. So yeah, maybe bazoya ngaloko yabo. Looking at the speed iPirates abantu kuba naso lapha phambili ukuthi you know what, because baba ne speed lapha, let's close that distance. Bangatholi the space behind our defense. Prediction, no, I fancy iGalaxy winning.
Not a draw.
The problem is who's going to score. Pirates. That's my worry.
Zakilele Pasa is going to score for sure. For sure, he's going to score. He's going to eliminate 3 players or 4 players and go alone and score a goal?
Mr. Nkewu, they'll close the supplier because that coach with iGalaxy, he can study the opponents and you are going to identify the key players for opponents. So I fancy iGalaxy winning.
There you go. WSP.co.za, that's Tso Vilakazi's prediction. We'll quickly move on to Sundowns taking on Golden Arrows. What I'm seeing on the socials is that a lot of people are saying, okay, Sundowns are they gonna have to prepare for parking the bus against every opponent? And I'm like, yo, guys, you can't criticize these teams. They don't have more money than God. You know, they don't have a lot of money on the transfer window, and they don't have equal quality of players than Mamelodi Sundowns. So they gotta do what they gotta do. Utenklet almost succeeded. He lost his job immediately thereafter. He would have lost his job anyways, even if he played open match and he lost 5-0. Do you think we'll see that from Tso Vilakazi, that they might try and frustrate the Sundowns before maybe they look to counter with the guys as far as Mamelodi and players like Onox Motizo?
Vilakazi. Been the pepet wasn't good to go for. I'm for it too. Ayizachika izinto namhlanje ngathi uzochika izinto umfowethu laphana ngithi akazibambe eqinile man akangabasabi man he just need to be very smart angadlali just an open game, you know. He needs to be very cautious. I know ukuthi akusilo umuntu opake pasi yeah bayithu laphana bathanda ngoba boy2 abantu ba emphasize to play bayadlala abafuna ukuya phambili, they forcing their way lapha phambili. So abangayenzi open play because of pound to pound they can't match yabo, but I believe in groups they can match them in groups. So they just need to be very cautious in terms of, you know, when they want to play, because as much as you know, when you play, I always say, as much as you've got that position, or petty bowler or attacker, you are also as good as defending. Because a minute you lose the ball, you must be in a good shape of defending immediately. So if they can just, you know, because not necessarily defend, but they can just be cautious in an open play. When we lose the ball, at least let's try and squeeze corner lap. Let's not give them space and time, because once you give them space and time, that's where they will head to.
All right, your prediction?
Mfowethu uyazi mfowethu ngiyakufisela kuhle nje, kodwa ya no bathi ziyakhala abathi ziyakhala baba isizusho emhlane no laba man kuba nzima ukuthi bavinjwe wena nkululeka. Sundowns will win. Sundowns will win. It's not going to be easy, but Sundowns will win the game.
All right, so there you go. That's Tso Vilakazi's predictions. Orlando Pirates lose, Sundowns win for this weekend. As I said from the beginning of this video, we don't know what's going to happen on Sunday with the match at Kaizer Chiefs and Matshday. There's court case about the stadium and so on and so forth. So we'll worry about that when we get there. My worry is even about the fans, that what happens when they know just one day before the game, which, you know, it's at Bafokeng, no, it's at Polokwane. It's not fair for the fans too. iDiskiTV, Diski Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching us.